Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting journey where we explore the future of content creation. Let's talk about the future of content. It's evolving rapidly, and there's a fascinating trend that's taking over. It's short, it's sweet, it's short-form content. These quick, engaging videos are changing the way we consume media. We're talking TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, you name it. These platforms are revolutionizing the digital landscape. These bite-sized pieces of content are taking the world by storm, and for good reason. They fit perfectly into our busy lives. They're easy to consume, crazy engaging, and perfect for our fast-paced world. Whether you're on a break, commuting, or just relaxing, short-form videos are the go-to entertainment. Gone are the days when you needed a fancy camera crew and hours of editing to make a splash online. The barriers to entry have been demolished. Now all you need is a smartphone and a story to tell. The power to create compelling content is literally in your hands. Short-form video is all about authenticity, creativity, and connecting with your audience on a personal level. It's about being real and relatable. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's never been a better time to jump into the world of short-form content. The opportunities are endless. It's a game changer, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on this wave. The potential for growth and engagement is immense. So, buckle up, get ready to unleash your creativity, and let's dive into the exciting world of short-form content together. Imagine the stories you can tell, the people you can reach, and the impact you can make. The beauty of short-form content is its versatility. You can share quick tips, behind-the-scenes moments, personal anecdotes, or even educational snippets. And the best part? The feedback is almost instant. You can see how your audience reacts, engage with them in real time, and build a community around your content. Planning your content can be as simple or as detailed as you want. The key is to stay true to yourself and your message. Experiment with different styles, try out new trends, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. The digital world is your playground. And when you hit that sweet spot and your content goes viral, the feeling is indescribable. It's a testament to your creativity and hard work. Reflect on your journey, learn from your experiences, and keep pushing forward. The future of content is bright, and it's waiting for you to shine. Share your journey with others, inspire new creators, and be a part of this incredible movement. The world of short-form content is vast and full of possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Grab your smartphone, unleash your creativity, and let's make some amazing short-form content together. The future is short, sweet, and absolutely thrilling. Let's talk numbers, people. Numbers that are not just impressive, but mind-blowing. The short-form content market is exploding. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution in how we consume media. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry and growing faster than ever. The growth rate is unprecedented, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. Why? Because platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are prioritizing it. These platforms are investing heavily in short-form content, making it more accessible and engaging. They know this is what people want: quick, engaging content that fits into their busy lives. In today's fast-paced world, people are looking for content that they can consume on the go. Think about it. We're all scrolling through our phones constantly. Whether we're waiting in line, commuting, or just taking a break, our phones are always within reach. Short-form content is perfect for those moments when we have a few minutes to spare. It's designed to be consumed quickly, making it ideal for our on-the-go lifestyles. It's snackable, shareable, and incredibly addictive. The bite-sized nature of short-form videos makes them easy to watch and even easier to share with friends and family. Brands are catching on too. They're realizing that short-form content is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with their audience. They're pouring resources into short-form video because they know it's the key to reaching today's audiences. From creating engaging content to running targeted ad campaigns, brands are leveraging short-form videos to drive results. So, if you're looking to build a following, grow your brand, or just share your message with the world, short-form content is where it's at. It's not just about creating videos, it's about creating moments that resonate with your audience. The future of content is here, and it's short, sweet, and incredibly powerful. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of this exciting movement. Embrace the power of short-form content and watch your engagement soar. It's time to get creative, get noticed, and get ahead in the digital age. One of the biggest advantages of short-form content? Its power to communicate effectively in just a few seconds. We live in a world of information overload. People's attention spans are shorter than ever. You need to capture their attention fast and deliver your message quickly. That's where short-form video shines. It forces you to be concise, creative, and get straight to the point. Imagine explaining a complex idea in under 60 seconds. Challenging? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. Think about those catchy TikTok dances or those quick and informative reels you love. They pack a punch in a short amount of time, making them memorable and impactful. Creating short-form content is easier than you think. In today's digital age, almost everyone has access to a smartphone, which is essentially a powerful tool for content creation right in your pocket. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience. The beauty of short-form content is its simplicity and accessibility. With just a smartphone, you can start creating engaging videos that capture your audience's attention. Remember those smartphones we talked about? They are more than capable of producing high-quality videos. The cameras on modern smartphones are incredibly advanced, allowing you to shoot in high definition and even 4K. That's all you really need to get started. Just open your camera app, hit record, and let your creativity flow. Don't worry about making everything perfect. The raw, authentic feel is what makes short-form content so appealing. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram have made it incredibly user-friendly to film, edit, and upload your videos. These platforms offer a variety of tools and features that make the editing process straightforward and fun. There are tons of free tools and resources available to help you along the way. From video editing apps to online tutorials, you have everything you need to enhance your videos and make them stand out. Experiment with different video styles, try out trending sounds, and explore various editing techniques. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what works best for you and your audience. And most importantly, have fun with it. The process of creating content should be enjoyable. When you're having fun, it shows in your videos and makes them more engaging for your viewers. The beauty of short-form content is that it's all about experimenting and finding your voice. Don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries of your creativity. The barrier to entry is low, which means anyone can start creating content, regardless of their background or experience level. This democratization of content creation has opened up opportunities for countless individuals to share their stories and talents with the world. So don't be afraid to jump right in and start creating. The more you create, the more you'll learn and improve. Each video is a step forward in your content creation journey. You might surprise yourself with what you can achieve. With dedication and creativity, your short-form content can reach and inspire a wide audience. So grab your smartphone, start recording, and let your unique voice be heard. With so much content out there, it's more important than ever to find your niche and stand out from the crowd. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? Maybe you're a whiz at cooking up delicious meals in under a minute. Or perhaps you have a knack for explaining complex topics in a fun and engaging way. Whatever your passion, short-form video allows you to share it with the world and connect with like-minded individuals. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. The more you put yourself out there, the more you'll discover your unique voice and attract an audience that resonates with your content. Here's the best part: short-form content can be incredibly lucrative. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities to monetize your content. Brands are constantly on the lookout for talented creators to collaborate with. Imagine getting paid to create videos about the things you love. It's totally possible in the world of short-form content. You can also generate income through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and even selling your own products or services. Think online courses, digital downloads, coaching sessions. The possibilities are endless. Short-form video can be your launchpad to building a successful business around your passions. The world of content creation is constantly evolving, but one thing's for sure: short-form content is here to stay. It's not a fad, it's the future of how we consume and engage with information. So, if you're looking for a creative outlet, a way to connect with others, or even a new career path, now is the time to jump on board the short-form content train. The opportunities are limitless, and the potential for growth is immense. Remember, be authentic, be creative, and most importantly, have fun. The world is waiting to see what you create. Go out there and make your mark.